say, no one trusts the cat that I want.
That's you, Weasley. Yes.
The cat that I want. No one trusts the cat that I want.
That's mommy and you.
You just let it go. Say it once, do the 3, 6, 9 to me. What you want to do. I know and trust that what I want.
Here's you, baby.
I know and trust that what I want is what I want.
That's so funny. You meowed and then stared at the TV, but I missed you meowing in the video. Hi. What, baby? What's my workout ball over there? That's what I sit on every time I do my YouTube videos every Friday. Tomorrow I'm going to do a video on what to say every day. Say see you tomorrow. And tell everyone to subscribe to my channel so you can manifest your dream cat and more. Link to how I manifest my dream cat is in the description. Bye.